Animal cruelty. Every act of animal cruelty is inhumane. It robs the planet of its inherent nature of coexistence. This Animal Sake article brings to light some eye-opening facts about this moral issue and briefs you about the steps that you can take to stop cruelty towards animals. If slaughterhouses had glass walls, we would all be vegetarian. Paul McCartney, the Black's Law Dictionary, defines animal cruelty aptly, which is also followed or used by other judiciary authorities, the MSA, etc. It states the infliction of physical pain, suffering, or death upon an animal when not necessary for purposes of training or discipline, or, in the case of death, to procure food or to release the animal from incurable suffering, but done wantonly for mere sport, for the indulgence of a cruel and vindictive temper, or with reckless indifference to its pain. Any interaction that causes any animal distress is unwarranted. Trades such as animal farming for fur and factory requirements, testing for medical procedures, and the preparation of various consumer products patronize this ghastly practice. The term zoostism involves abuse and cruelty to animals, including instances of torture and killing. There are cultures across the world that actually cover up their heinous deeds towards animals as trials or rehearsals towards a certain development. Types. Animal cruelty is categorized into two types: passive cruelty, neglect, and active cruelty, abuse. Passive cruelty is the unknowing or unintentional cruelty that animals face as a result of careless and neglecting owners. Most times, the owners fail to realize that their pet is suffering due to what it is being put through on account of them, like forgetting to provide food or water or leaving the pet chained up. Another type of animal neglect is known as pet hoardings, wherein some people take in a lot of animals as pets to help them, which leads to overcrowded and unsafe living conditions. Active cruelty is the second and more dangerous type, which also means abuse. It is the intentional harming, hurting, or even killing of animals. Psychology of abusers studies reveal that people who intentionally harm and hurt animals are more inclined towards violence and may also harm other human beings. Almost all serial killers and rapists have a history of abusing animals in their childhood. For example, Jeffrey Dahmer, aka the Milwaukee Cannibal, the homosexual serial killer, rapist, and cannibal who murdered 16 boys and young men, used to collect dead animals and dissect them. He impaled the heads of dogs and cats. Ted Bundy, the serial killer and rapist, would abuse animals as a child. Dylan Klebold and Eric Harris, the Columbine High School students who shot 12 of their classmates and then themselves, were believed to have been mutilating animals. A deeper study revealed that these killers mostly came from dysfunctional families and experienced mental or physical trauma or parental neglect. Although not a universal trait, animal cruelty has been seen as a harbinger in most criminal cases. Word of the wise: is it right to kill animals just because they are apparently at our mercy? Animals are not our property to do things with them as we please. Here are a couple of people's opinions on the same. A popular TV show host, Ellen DeGeneres, rightly says, "If you want to test cosmetics, why do it on some poor animal who hasn't done anything? They should use prisoners who have been convicted of murder or rape instead." So, rather than seeing if perfume irritates a bunny rabbit's eyes, they should throw it in Charles Manson's eyes and ask him if it hurts. Czech writer Milan Kundera says, humanity's true moral test, its fundamental test, consists of its attitude towards those who are at its mercy. Animals. Laws. Every state has a different law pertaining to animal cruelty, and the punishment varies accordingly. Here's a look at the laws in a few states. In Alaska, animal cruelty attracts imprisonment up to 1 year, fine up to $5,000, restitution, and community service. In California, punishment includes imprisonment up to 1 year and or fine up to $20,000. In Delaware, the punishment is imprisonment up to 1 year, fine up to $1,000, surrendering of all animals, and no animal ownership for 5 years. Intentional cruelty to any animal will attract a prison sentence of 3 years, fine up to $5,000, surrendering of all animals, and no animal ownership for 15 years. In Oklahoma, the punishment is imprisonment in a state penitentiary for up to 5 years with a fine up to $5,000, or imprisonment in a county jail for up to 1 year. Internationally speaking, countries like China and Saudi Arabia have no specific laws for animal cruelty. Countries like India, Germany, France, Taiwan, Sweden, and Switzerland all have laws that state that animal cruelty is a punishable offense and attracts fines and prison sentences which differ according to the countries.